This short video is to show you how to create a map using Google Fusion and a Google Sheet. Gone to fusiontables.google.com and I was already logged into my Google account before I got to this stage. So I need to import the spreadsheet. I can either upload it from my computer, or as I've already got the information on my Google Sheet, I'm going to select that item. When I see the right spreadsheet, I'm going to select it, and then the information comes up. I'm not going to go through the table because I'm happy with everything that's in there already, but it's important to have the column names or in row, have that set correctly so the Fusion Tables knows which is the column name. And then click Next. Here I can add a name to the map if I wish. If I use somebody else's data, I can put the link to that data and give their name there and a description of what the table or map is going to be showing. Well, the data is my own, so I'm not going to bother with that, and this is a quick demonstration, so I'm going to leave everything as it is. So the spreadsheet's been imported, it's all here, but I'm going to go straight to the map. And all the airports are now shown with these little red dots. There is a way of setting the icons used for the location using a column in the spreadsheet. It doesn't do it automatically, unfortunately. You have to tell Fusion to do it. So click on Change Feature Styles. This window opens up. It's the marker icon I'm interested in. So I could change the colour of the dot if I wished by clicking down there, but that's not what I want to do. I want to use that column. So I go to column, use icon specified in a column, and tell the Fusion which icon to use, and it's the icon name. And it's very important that everything's in lowercase apart from the N for name, and it's all one word. And click Save. You could have different icons for different locations if you wish, so that in my case I've just chosen the airport one. There's plenty of icons to choose. If you Google Fusion icons, you come up with this page here. So there's the airport icon. There's plenty of others. If you click on it, it gives you information about what the icon name is. So I used airports there. That's the icon name in the column, but I could change for different locations. I could have different icons as long as I get the name correct. And as I said before, the column in the spreadsheet has to be icon name with everything in lowercase apart from the N for name. There's no mouse over function on these maps. For the information to come up, you have to click on the icon, and there it comes. There's some information missing which you wouldn't know because I've not gone through the spreadsheet, but I'll show you in a second. And there's some information I don't want to show. So now I go to Change Info window. I don't want to show the icon name because obviously there's no point in sharing that. The longitude and latitude I'm not fussed about, but the luggage trolleys and the express security lane is important information, so I'm going to select those and then click Save. Now if I click on the icon, only the information that's relevant comes up. Unlike Google My Maps, the website link isn't clickable, so if you can click properly, you need to highlight the web address and copy and paste it into another tab on your browser to see it. If you're happy with everything, you click on Done, and now you need to be able to share it, so click on Share. And here's a link which at the moment is only usable for a few people, so I need to change this privacy here. Click on Change and then Public on the web. Click Save. Now anybody with this link can see the map. I can email it to them, send it in a message, or use it to generate a hyperlink on my website, but it's not very useful. So click on Done there. I want to embed this map in my website, so I go to Tools and then Publish. And I have a link again there, I can use that, or there's an iframe code in here to embed it. Or if you're that way inclined, you can get all the code by clicking Get HTML and JavaScript, and then you can use that to embed it in your website. and that's how you use a spreadsheet to generate a map using Google Fusion.